Yo, what is up, YouTube? We is back with another POV, man. We heading back to the gym. I work out pretty much every day now at this point. So, got that Celsius right here. Yo, this Celsius is pretty good. Y'all should try it. She talking about tight, what my indicted. No, wait, was that a cop? Nah. I was about to say, I seen a cop in an F-150, bro, so I wouldn't be surprised. Keep your eyes like I'm doing 65. And I'm 40, hoping that I don't get spotted. This ain't no DUI, just wanna take a stride through your garden. Put your phone on silent, put your lips on mine, let's get started. It's just you and I, while I take a stride through your garden. You're mama said it was bad news like dun, 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 dun. You proved her right every single night. Oh my, can't close my eyes, can't open my eyes, don't know what to do.
Please don't go out with your friends. They don't ever keep you in shit. They gon' let you do whatever. And blame it on the liquor. Hope you got that for silence. They don't know them first. You got strippers that you favor. But you say you don't go out that much. Can't you wait, don't let nobody. Spending time with people that don't respect the way we got up. You said you got me, but you're headed elsewhere. And your friends ain't shit, they do the most, you know it's reckless, yeah. Can't you wait, don't let nobody. Entertaining bitches, you said you would, you said you got me. You swore on everything you said, no matter without me. Don't love nobody, oh, don't love nobody, oh. Please don't go out with your friends. They don't ever keep you in shit. They gon' let you do whatever. And blame it on the liquor. Hope you got that for silence. Think I know about them clubs. You got strippers that you favor. But you say you don't go out that much.
I know there's somebody who loves me.
Leave me lonely for radio women. You know I need too much attention for shit like that. You know you wrong for shit like that. I could be your supermodel if you believe. If you see them, see me. I don't see myself. Well, I can't stay alone just by myself. Wish I was comfortable just with myself, but I need you, but I need you, but I need you. Oh, just get a load of them, they got chemistry. All they could say we like brother and sister. Look so good together, bet they fucking for real, and it was right. That's why I stayed with you. The dick was too good to make me feel good for temporary love. You was a temporary lover. Leave me lonely for prettier women. You know I need too much attention for shit like that. You know you wrong for shit like that.
Please leave your message for 8 to 9
Hey Zay, it's me again. I was calling to see how you was doing mentally. Just give me a call back.
I'm back focused again. Can't lose my emotion again. I wouldn't say I know.
They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight.